Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro on Mac. Let's get started. First, open Safari, Chrome, or any browser on your Mac. Search for Adobe Premiere Pro and open the official Adobe website. Now you can start a free trial or buy a subscription plan for Premiere Pro. Sign in with your Adobe account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Adobe may ask you to install the Creative Cloud app first. Download and install it, and after that, open Creative Cloud, find Premiere Pro, then click Install. And after that, wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, click Open or launch it from Launchpad or Applications. Now, create a new project, import your videos, and begin editing. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.